What's up, guys? It's PauJ0522, and it's now 9:43 Pacific time. Let me just show you the list here. There you go, guys, and here's our 3 boxes right here. Boxes of the Topps Turkey Red. You get 11 cards per box. Here's our first seal box. Alright, good luck, everyone. Alright, so we have a Starling Marte for the Pirates. Let's see what's the rest. Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies. Jose Altuve for the Astros. Paul Konerko, White Sox. Adam Dunn for the White Sox. Got our first hit. It's gonna be for the A's. It's Andrew Carignan autograph. Gio Gonzalez for the Nationals. Manny Machado rookie card for the Orioles. Brandon Phillips for the Reds. Austin Jackson for the Tigers. And Jonathan Papelbon for the Phillies. That's the first box. Alright, here's our second one. Matt Kemp for the Dodgers. Eric Hosmer for the Royals. Got Bryce Harper for the Nationals. Zach Greinke for the Dodgers. Starling Marte again for the Pirates. And our second auto is for the Cardinals. It's Eduardo Sanchez. This one is 35 of 39. The Andrew Carignan is 187 of 620. Prince Fielder for the Tigers. Yadier Molina for the Cardinals. Jason Hayward for the Braves. Matt Holliday Cardinals. And Andrew McCutchen for the Pirates. Alright, so our final box. Starling Marte again. Carlos Gonzalez for the Rockies. Jose Altuve. Hopefully it's not the same as the first box. Konerko for the White Sox. Adam Dunn for the White Sox. And second auto is a Chris Archer for the Rays. This one is 438 of 689. There you go. Gio Gonzalez for the Nationals. Manny Machado, Brandon Phillips, Austin Jackson, and Jonathan Papelbon. It's kind of weird. It's almost similar to the first box except for the autograph. And let me just show you our hits again. So we got autograph Chris Archer, numbered to 689. Andrew Carignan for the A's, that is numbered to 620. And I don't know who this guy is. Eduardo Sanchez for the Cardinals, numbered to 39. And that's it for this box break. Thanks everyone, and I'll see you guys later.